Hi babes, in today's video I am sharing my detailed step-by-step K-beauty glass skin routine. Keep on watching. I'm going to start with cleansing of my skin. So I am using tea tree foaming face cleanser with jojoba oil. Normally I'm supposed to use the oil-based cleanser, but I don't have that, so I had to make do with what I have. So I mix a bit of jojoba oil into my face foaming cleanser. The tea tree has antibacterial properties and it prevents acne, and jojoba oil moisturizes and mimic the natural skin oil. So guys, don't worry, I am using product that's safe for my skin. So the next step is I'm going to go ahead and steam my face. So the benefit of steaming is to allow deeper cleansing and better absorption of subsequent skincare products. To scrub my skin, which is very important, I'll be using sugar, honey, and a little bit of jojoba oil. The excess of these three combos is the sugar helps to exfoliate the dead skin cells. Honey is antibacterial and moisturizing, and jojoba oil provide additional hydration. So this will help to take off any dead skin cell on the skin, and it will reveal fresh, smooth skin, and it also boosts radiance. So I'm going to go ahead and also scrub my lips. Very important. So I wash my face and pat that dry with paper tissue. The next step is I'm going to be spraying excess mist. The excess of this is to apply the first layer of hydration, and this helps to prepare the skin for better absorption of serums. So I'm going to pat that dry into my skin really well. Then onto the next product I am going to be applying a rebalancing ampoule serum, and this has 2% niacinamide in it to help control the sebum and just basically help rebalance the sebum in the skin. So the next product I'm going to be using is a serum, and this has vitamin C. It contains 20% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So I'm going to put that on my skin. We all know that vitamin C brightens the skins and provide antioxidant protection, while hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates and plump the skin. So guys, the next step is going to be me pouring a chilled water on my face. That is not so chilled, it's just a little bit, just to help seal all the previous product I applied on my skin in my skin, because those products are meant to go deep into my skin. They are meant to be food for my skin. So using chilled water, I feel like it makes sense because I had already steamed my skin, which opened up my pores. So I feel going with chilled water just sealed everything and tightened my pores. I don't know if that makes sense, guys, but that's what I've been doing and it works for me. So the next step is to apply a moisturizer. Moisturizer is going to serve as a barrier. It's going to be on my skin, and it helps to seal the products I've applied previously in my skin. So it makes sense to apply that after the chilled water. So I'm just going to go ahead and massage my skin really well while my skin is still damp and slippery. And the next step is to go ahead and protect my skin, which is using sunscreen. And this sunscreen also has hydration. So I'm going to work that really well into my skin. So guys, I'm going to quickly give you a quick tip. Ensure all the hydrating products you're going to be using on your skin absorb really well before moving to the next step. And also consistent application is key in maintaining glass skin. Then your diet and lifestyle also contributes majorly to it. Drinking enough water daily, staying hydrated. Please, excess of everything is bad, so please just make sure you stay hydrated and not too much of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips like this. Bye, guys.